Samsung is making this big. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be the next big thing this year for Samsung, and I have to say, Samsung is making so useful internal changes in the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and potentially a price cut. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will going to be launched in August along with the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and possibly Galaxy Watch 5. Samsung is even predicting the record sales for the Galaxy Fold 4 since they are increasing the production for both foldable phones. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 or Vivo X Fold, which one would you prefer? According to the IC Universe, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will exceed your expectations with smaller and lighter size and a more bezel narrow design, which means we may see some changes in the aspect ratio of inner display, which will be a good idea as everyone wants a better aspect ratio on the Galaxy Fold 3 last year. Meanwhile, we may see a price cut in Galaxy Z Fold 4 compared to Galaxy Z Fold 3. According to Anthony, we may see Galaxy Z Fold 4 at $1699 for base model, which means it is $100 less than the previous generation Galaxy Z Fold 3, although we are expecting a price cut due to its single hinge design a lot before, and we are expecting more price drop nearer to $1,600. He also stated that Samsung this time used LG batteries in upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4 and even Flip 4. Let's see if we can get a better battery backup or a bigger battery in both of the phones. And Samsung is predicting big sales for Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4, as according to the Ross Young, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 production for July are double than compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Flip 3, pointing towards a strong launch. According to previous leaks, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will not going to have an S Pen built in, but Galaxy Z Fold 4 will support S Pen just like the Fold 3, but you need to carry a case along with it. And it was confirmed by IC Universe. Let's hope Samsung will bring these exciting changes, as we already know new ultra-thin glass, new under-display camera, and Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 or Vivo X Fold, which one would you prefer? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.